to welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is the spark plug wire set for the 1997 Honda Prelude SH model, and this one is the Prelude. I purchased a set from AutoZone for $34.99, but somehow it is kind of short. And then later on, I tried to look for the one on eBay. It was like 23 or 26. There are like so many different prices. There are some of them even like $49.99 or even more. So try to be a smart shopper and compare. And O'Reilly was selling almost similar spark plug for $33.99, which is about $1 cheaper than AutoZone. So I got this set. I was kind of surprised for $13.99, and hopefully it's gonna work. So free shipping, and then with the tax and everything, is total is $15.21. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and see what it look like. Wow. So, made in USA. Cool. So hopefully this is not too short. Yes, although a total of the 4 plugs, you want to make sure that the color, the wiring and everything, the length. So the shortest ones are probably the spark plug 1, 2, 3, and then 4th. And then there's a short one for the distributor. So here's the barcode right here, all right? Yeah, the old one somehow I got chewed up. The possum trying to make a nest out of it. So it got chewed up between the plug on the corner here. So there's no way I could fix it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.